So we started today's video with the side table DIY. This is such a cute and clever little design. Oh, amazing. Absolutely love this. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Now this DIY is very impressive. So they used this barrel and they basically created this really cute wine bar. I like how this offers up like a place to put your glasses as well as your wine bottles. Such a creative idea. And then she did put a glass table on the top. So cute. Absolutely love this DIY project. Very creative. Alright, so then we got an Ikea hack here. So I'm guessing she got like those crates from Ikea, and then she's going in with some cardboard. Some foam spray. Oh, that came out amazing. Wow. Very nice. Definitely looks like a project that she spent a lot of money on too. And then we have some type of old soap bottle container here. So she's peeling off the sticker. Going in with the black spray paint, granite spray paint. Oh, wow. It's amazing what you can do with some spray paint. This looks so cute. Because you know those soap bottles can cost like $9, $12. Well, I guess you paid for the spray paint, but this would be a cute little way to recycle. I mean, I don't know how much those spray paint cans are. They used to be like $3 or $4, but who knows, with inflation they probably went up. Okay, so this is another Ikea hack here. It looks like she's making candle holder maybe? You can actually grab like candle holders from the dollar store and make like a unique shape of candles or candle holders with them. I was just gonna say, you know, most of the time we see people spray paint this, but it actually looks pretty clear. Just stacked up high. I think I like the way that that looked. But they look beautiful spray painted white as well. Very nice. And that is a very simple and easy beginner friendly project. And then we have this really cool purple ombre inspired mirror design. So they're using clay in order to create these flowers. I really like the color scheme on this. So pretty. Ooh, I love the way that that turned out. I know we saw it at the beginning, but just very nice. So I featured a similar DIY to the one that we're going to be seeing here. And I was just blown away by it simply because it was gold and black. And this time this person is going to be doing gold and white. I think that you could do a bigger canvas versus the two smaller ones. And she does use spray paint with this one. Oh, looks so cool. Look at that. Such a beautiful design. I actually want to try this one myself. It just looks so cool. And then we have this DIY lamp shade. Oh, wow. So they did the entire lamp here. I thought they just did the shade. Wow. So they have the stand and everything for this. Very impressive. And they're going in with the twine to give it that like bohemian style. Oh, this isn't even electric. It just uses like one of those puck lights. Wow, so cool. Ikea Kitchen Hack. So I saw this, I thought that this was really cool. Especially if you're low on like storage space, this would be a nice little hack or project to try out. She did add the handle there to the side. And look at this. Great storage saver. It's like a movable pantry. And then we have the infamous IKEA mirrors. Oh, actually they have a couple of different projects here. So they did a sliding door and then they're going to put mirrors on it. Okay. Wow. Now that came out nice. Very nice. And then we have another IKEA hack. So this is like a nice little cute way to hang and store your keys. You buy the picture frame and then you get the hooks. You can do this with any picture frame. You don't have to go to Ikea for this one. But very cool idea. Oh, we got another wall transformation here. Wow. Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so I think this is supposed to be a plant stand. Looks like they used like a wood cutting board. I'm not entirely sure. So they're putting the stands, the legs on here. And there you go, nice stand for your plant. I feel like this could also be like a cool table design too. Alright, so we got some bowls here. Gluing them together, spray painting them. This actually looks pretty not spray painted. Oh, they did gold, very nice. Little like candle bath. And then we have these flowers made out of paper. This looks like a cool project you could do with like your kids. Very cute. And then we have a mirror DIY. Now, as you guys know, this is a very popular mirror trend on TikTok. Everyone wants to do this one. Oh, they use styrofoam. We haven't seen this before. Interesting way to get this texture and shape. Very cool. I feel like this mirror is a nice little size too. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.